Today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the UL Raphael tank. Little hello from UL. I do believe this one's a sticker. Yeah, it's a sticker. Some extra seals. Give them an A for effort on the packaging on this thing. Never fails when you're doing a video, your phone goes off. Your little warning. Directions. Decent package. Extra coil. Spare glass. I do believe this is a quartz glass. And that's pretty much it for the unboxing. If you want to see the full review, stay tuned for the next video.